The first thing that you need to know about these two forms is that they are the exact same. The only difference comes in how they are used. The form is just changing depending on what type of verb it goes after. And 90% of the time, you're going to just be using this one. These mean either, I guess that, as in like, oh, I guess that he can teach Korean, or I guess that today is going to be cold, or I guess that we're going to be busy today. I see lots of people. Or it seems like. Now, these both have the same meaning pretty much. Oh, it seems like it'll be hot today. You know, it seems like he passed the test. He looks really happy. It's just to convey something appears or seems like a certain way. However you want to translate it, just know that its literal meaning is really close to saying something seems like something. In order to use it, you'll use a different one, whether the verb that it comes after is an action verb or a description verb. So let's first take a look at 나보다. If you have an action verb, you attach 나보다 to the action verb's stem. So let's take the action verb 좋아하다, meaning to like, and you take the verb stem of that and you attach 나보다, and then you conjugate however you'd like. 보다 conjugates into the 요 form as 봐, 요. So 좋아하나 봐요. 좋아하나 봐요. I guess that, or it seems like he or she or someone likes something. If, however, we are working with a descriptive verb stem, then we use 가보다. But the way we use it is slightly different. So you first take a descriptive verb stem and you attach 은 or 니은. Then you would attach 가보다. So if you had a descriptive verb stem that ends in a consonant, you'll attach 은 가보다. And if it ends in a vowel, you will attach this letter 가보다. So let's see what that looks like. 좋다, to be good. So we take the verb stem, which is just this. It ends in a consonant, so we attach 은. So now we have 좋은 가보다. And we can conjugate that just like before to say 좋은가 봐, 좋은가 봐요. I guess that it's good, or it seems like it's good. 그 아이디어가 좋은가 봐. I guess that idea is good, or it seems like that idea is good. So it seems like a good idea. But there are some exceptions for different types of verb stems. Let's do another example. 멀다, to be far. Well, we get the verb stem. It ends with this letter, a 릴. So all you do is you get rid of it. So you have 뭐. Now it ends in a vowel, so we attach 니은, 가, and then 보다. 먼가 봐. I guess it's really far. It seems like it's far. Another one is when you have verb stems that end with this letter, 비읍. You remove it, and then you add 우. 덥다, to be hot, like weather is hot, becomes 더우. So then it ends in a vowel, so we have 더우가, 더운가, 봐요, 더운가 봐요. I guess it's hot. It seems like it's really hot. Most of the time, if it ends in this letter also, you simply remove it. So if you have 그렇다, this is the verb they used to say 그래요. Well, it would just become 그런가 봐요. 그런가 봐요. So someone says, oh, is that really true? You're like, 그런가 봐요. I guess it is. 그런가 봐요. Yeah, I guess it is. It seems like it is. It doesn't just happen with this 가보다. It also happens the same thing with 나보다. 살다 is the verb that means to live. It ends in this letter, so you remove it, and then you attach 나보다 and conjugate it. So you say, 한국에서 사나 봐요. I guess he lives in Korea. One more thing, if you're going to add any sort of like tense or honorifics, you're going to add them onto the verb that goes before 나 or 가보다. You could conjugate it, you know, to like 보죠, 보내요, but you're not going to put the tense. You're not going to put honorifics into it. So now let's get on to some examples. 안 왔나 봐요. 안 왔나 봐요. I guess that it seems like he or she, someone, didn't come. Next sentence. 그 사람을 모르나 봐요. I guess you, he or she doesn't know, or it seems like doesn't know that person. Okay, 그 사람을 모르나 봐요. I guess he or she doesn't know that person. 그 영화가, that movie, 재밌다 means to be entertaining or to be fun. So like the movie was fun. 재밌나 봐요. I guess it is fun. Notice that 있다, it is a descriptive verb. However, 있다 conjugates as an action verb. 나, 있나, that movie, 그 영화가 재밌나 봐요. I guess that movie is fun. I guess that's a good movie. 와, 피곤한가 보네요. You seem really tired. It seems like you're really tired. 정말 배가 고픈가 봐요. Or 배가 정말 고픈가 봐요. So you seem really hungry. Or I guess you're really hungry. 오늘 날씨가, today's weather, 더운가 봐요. Hot. Today's weather seems hot. 덥다 ends with this letter, so you remove it and you add u. Now we get 더우. And now we can attach what we need to finish with this form. You can also use, I gave you an example previously of 보죠? 오늘 날씨가 더운가 보죠? Today's weather really seems hot, doesn't it? So I guess they are doing a party next door. It seems like they're having a party next door. So you walk outside and there's like music playing and you're like, oh, 옆집에서 파티를 하나 봐. Why didn't they invite me? Probably because I walk around going, Any tense is added before adding 나보다. Anytime you have past tense stem, action verb, descriptive verb, doesn't matter. Use 나보다. Like, I think that he did something, 했나 보다. He was nice. 착했다. Well, you wouldn't say 착했은가. You would just say 착했나. Any verb, once it's in past tense, will only use 나보다. 더웠나 봐요. 더웠나 봐요. I guess it was hot. I said 재밌나 봐요 before, but what if it was fun? 재밌었나 봐요. But what if you were to say something like, the movie was good? 좋았나 봐요. You only need to use the 가보다 when it's in present tense and a descriptive verb. So that's past tense. Well, future tense, we're also going to be using 나보다. However, there's something else you have to do to it. You attach 려 to the verb stem. So you don't use a regular future tense ending. Now this 려, I talked about this in the future tense live stream that I did, and it means intending to. This is for both action and descriptive verbs. And what this is actually a shortening of this. 으려고 하다. Literally, it seems that you, or it seems like someone, is intending to, will do something. First, let me just give you one sentence. So I don't think I'll be able to do the homework today. Or I guess I won't be able to do the homework today either. 내가 오늘도 숙제를 못 하려나 봐. I guess I'm not going to be able to do the homework again today. 내가 오늘도 숙제를 못 하려나 봐. 내일도, tomorrow also, 더우려나 will be hot, it seems. So it seems tomorrow will be hot too. Okay, let's do another one. 철수는 오늘, today, 안 오려나 봐요. So I guess 철수 does not intend to come, it seems. So it seems like 철수 does not intend to come. Or I guess 철수 won't come today. So remember how I said that 나보다 is used whenever it's past tense. 가보다 is only used for that one case of descriptive verbs in the present tense. 나보다 is also used with 있다, to exist. Also, 나보다 is used when it's future tense. So you use 으려나 보다. 나보다 can also be used with descriptive verbs in the present tense. Sometimes, when the descriptive verb stem ends in a consonant. This is like most of the time. Really, what you end up with is 나보다 being used like all of the time and 가보다 only coming up when it's a descriptive verb, present tense, that ends in a vowel. That's when you have to use 가보다. You cannot say 피곤하나 보다. You would have to say 피곤한가 보다. So I'll show you. 덥다, 덥나 봐, 덥나 보다. If something's really far, 멀다, 머나, 머나. So you could say two ways. You could say 더운가, or you could say 덥나. Either one is totally fine. 맵다, to be spicy, you could say 매운가 봐요, or you can just say 맵나 봐요. 날카롭다, which is to be sharp, you can also say 날카롭나 보다. However, if you have something like 크다, to be big, you cannot say 크나, 크나 봐. You have to do regular. 큰가 보다, 큰가 봐. 되게 큰가 봐. I guess it's really big. 작다, to be small. 작다 does end in a consonant. So you could say 작은가 보다, or you can just say 작나 보다, 작나 봐. 그럼 다음에 또 봐. Let me just move this out of the way so you guys can all see this lovely scenery here.